everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral garlic parmesan melting cabbage, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, cut half an onion into slices. When you're finished, set the onions to the side. Next, slice the cabbage in half through the stem. Then cut each half into 4 wedges. When you're finished, you can begin cooking the cabbage. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add olive oil. Then add the cabbage into the pan. Cook the cabbage until it has browned on each side. This should take around 5 minutes per side. Once you finish browning the cabbage, remove them from the pan. Next, lower the heat to medium and add 3 tablespoons of butter into the pan. Once the butter is melted, add the sliced onions you prepared before. Sauté the onions for around 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Mix everything together and then continue to cook the onions and garlic for 1 minute. When you're finished, add 1 cup of chicken broth and 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Mix everything together until well combined and then let the sauce simmer until it becomes thick. Once the sauce starts to become thick, mix in a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. When you're finished, turn off the heat and add the cabbage back into the pan. Once you finish putting the cabbage in the pan, place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Once the cabbage has finished cooking in the oven, pour some of the sauce on top of each cabbage wedge. Then garnish it with Parmesan cheese, red pepper flakes, and parsley. And this is the finished result. The cabbage was absolutely delicious. If you love cabbage like I do, you will definitely like this recipe. It's easy to make and doesn't take a lot of time too. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!